Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. One of the questions I just got asked, I was called not too long ago, is I'm going to owe tax debt for this year, for 2026, on my 25 return. I'm not going to be able to pay it. If I ignore it, is IRS going to levy and garnish my wages? And if that's the case, how soon are they going to do that? Well, let me answer that. The only reason IRS does that is you haven't responded to letters. So if you want to stop any enforcement action, garnishment, your case right now sits in an IRS computer system. It's called the K-2 computer system. And that system just generates notice after notice. Someone needs to know to stop that switch. So someone you call on the phone goes ahead and they do inputting, and they can stop that actually with a keystroke. It's not so much stopping the wage garnishment or the bank levy, it's what's going to happen as a result. So if you were to call me when I was working there, I'd need a financial statement, but I want to ask you, what are you going to do to pay the debt? What most people are unaware, and I've worked thousands of cases, is you must understand that your current financial statement that you give IRS on a 433F or a 433A is going to determine what IRS is going to do with your case. Most people go into a currently non-collectible or a payment agreement. Those generally are the two options, really, over the phone. So you have to understand, if you don't understand how you are going to be viewed by IRS, by what standard, what are the boundaries, you're going to wind up with a big payment agreement. So a big tip for you, if you've got to do this yourself, a non-hired professional, is understand the IRS National Standards Program. That lets you know the expenses that IRS is going to allow. And they're not going to allow your expenses, they're going to allow their expenses. So if you know that, you'll understand that. But you can stop these wage garnishments and bank levies almost immediately. If you need me, you can always send me a text, give me a call, send me an email. But anyway, if you give me a subscription, I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much.